Do you want to live in a new build community in Frisco, Texas for under $400,000? Well, today we're going to show you a model home where you can do just that, so stay tuned.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right here in good old Frisco, Texas, one of the hottest real estate markets in the entire nation. And we are in a model home that you can buy right now for under $400,000.
Yep.
What?
I know.
Under $400,000. In fact, it's like $383,000.
Yeah, and this one that we're going to be touring happens to be a single story, and it's amazing.
Absolutely. So if this is your first time on our channel, we own a real estate team all across Texas, actually. And today we are in Frisco, Texas, which just happens to be our headquarters. And so if this is your first time, we do like 3 videos a week of what it's like to live, work, and play in all of Texas. So if you're moving out here, relocating, or have general interest in the Dallas area real estate, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video.
Yep, and don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you need to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
Absolutely. Now, today, like I said, let's get back into this video. We are in Prairie View, Texas. Now, one of the nice things about this
Prairie View is a subdivision in Texas. There's not actually a Prairie View, Texas.
You're right. Actually, yes, Patrice, I stand corrected. We are in Frisco, Texas, in the subdivision community called Prairie View.
Just had to point that out.
Yes, well, thank you. Patrice is my checks and balances.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but what's nice about this community, it's on the east side of Frisco, and it actually goes to Prosper ISD. And guess what is just down the street from here?
What is just down the street from here? Could it be the new
high school?
The
brand new high school. And we'll definitely show you that.
Yeah, it's
just
beautiful.
Because this thing is outstanding. So anyway, we're going to take a tour. This community is an awesome community. We have several clients that have bought here and absolutely love it. It's just one of these great, brand new communities that has tons of amenities. You've got a couple pools, trails, parks, etc. So we'll show you around, and then we'll get into this tour this great single story.
Yep, here we go.
All right, take care. All right, so we've seen all the great amenities and everything that Prairie View has to offer. Now we're going to jump in, as promised, into this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single-story home that is 2,200 square feet. Does have a study, which can be an optional 4th bedroom if you like. If you don't need that study option, but this thing starts right in the mid 380s. So let's go have a look. So as you come off of the entry, as you come in, the master bedroom is at the front of the house, and why that is and why this is a little bit different, I don't know if you've noticed as we drove around and kind of showed you some of the houses, is that there are no garages in the front. It's all rear entry. So because of that, your master bedroom is in the front of the house. So let's go have a look at it. Right off to your right, good sized master bedroom. You got nice windows giving off decent light. You've got this master bath where you've got the dual sinks, big shower, no tub, which is what everybody prefers nowadays. And then you've got a good sized walk-in closet. On the other side of the hallway is going to be your study or optional 4th bedroom. That's in the front. Like I said, it's set up as a study right now, but you can easily convert this into a 4th bedroom. You've got the other bedroom off to the side, and they share this bathroom. I love the wood floors. You walk in, you've got another bedroom off to your right. So this bedroom has its own bath, which is really cool. And then, like I said, you're right off to the kitchen. You've got your white contemporary kitchen, nice granite. Opens up. What I love about this floor plan is it's all wide open. You've got your dining area and your family area. So if you're not real big on dining, you can just have this one big space. It's very flexible on exactly how you want to use it. And then the backyard, you've got a nice patio cover. Not sure if you can hear the kids across the street. It's a very family-friendly neighborhood. And here's your backyard, okay? It's a little bit smaller because of that, half of that backyard is used as your garage space. I want to point out just how bright this house is. You know how I feel about windows and lots of natural light. Look at this, Patrice, if you could kind of show them. That's even with the patio cover, how much light is coming through. Just really is a good feeling floor plan. So for under $400,000 in Frisco with Prosper Schools, this is a tough deal to beat. So anyway, this is a great house and a must see, and I look forward to showing it to you.
So we hope you've enjoyed this tour of Prairie View in Frisco, Texas.
Absolutely, and don't forget to hit that dream home form so we know exactly what it is that you're looking for. It can help you out.
And don't forget, give us a call, text, or email, whatever you got to do to get a hold of us. Just get a hold of us anytime, day or night.
Absolutely. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.